Beautiful large one bedroom L-shaped living room in Flushing. This is entrance. It's the living room. Very large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, a lot of closets. On the left is the coat closet. It's the outside, it could be the dining area. Got a lot of windows, a lot of lights during the day. A beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. It's got dishwasher. Two closets here. One of them is the linen closet. It's the bathroom here, all renovated, very clean, nice tiles. On the right, this is the bedroom, very large bedroom. It's got two big closets on the left. Walk-in closet. Another one here. This one, a larger walk-in closet. A large bedroom. Very nice apartment. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.